Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 6 geography chapter 7 our country India. Viewers, I hope these videos are going to be very helpful to you. Please comment in the comment section and tell me how these videos are helpful to you. Let's start today's video. First question is India is located in the dash hemisphere. Answer is northern hemisphere. India is located in northern hemisphere of the earth. Next question is the longitudinal extent of India is about dash. Answer is 29 degree. Longitudinal extent is about 29 degree. Next question is there are dash countries that share land boundaries with India. How many countries are there? There are 7 countries. Next question is Sri Lanka is separated from India by the dash. Answer is Park Strait. Next question is dash is a huge sea wave generated due to an earthquake on the sea floor. Answer is tsunami. Tsunami is generated due to earthquake in sea floor. Next question is India has an area of about, answer is 3.28 million square kilometer. Next question is the Greater Himalayas are also known as dash. Greater Himalayas are also known as, answer is Himadri. Clear? Next question is the largest state in India in terms of area is dash. Answer is Rajasthan. In terms of area, Rajasthan is the largest state. Next question is the river Narmada falls in the dash sea. Answer is Arabian Sea, means it is a west flowing river. Next question is the latitude that runs almost halfway through India is dash, that runs through the halfway from India. Answer is Tropic of Cancer. It runs halfway through the India. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please press the like button and share the video with your friends and family and subscribe the channel. Do press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever new video published.